Hey, this is Brandon, Platypus Motors, Tillamook, Oregon. We're up here on Lake Lytle doing a boat test. This is Josh's motor that he bought from me a while back, and it's been having some hiccups, so we brought it out here after tank testing to make sure it's going to do okay on the water with an actual load on it. So the tank tests are great, but sometimes you just got to get them on the water. So what I did is we did a fuel pump conversion on this little Johnson 10 horse 1958 original. But I think the fuel pump went out, so I threw on a new fuel pump. I've got about a dozen of them. They're just Chinese aftermarket Mikuni style fuel pumps. They're good for 2 and 4 strokes, but you never know what you get sometimes. Anyway, we threw that on there, and it seems to be testing fine. I did have some issues with the fittings on the tank, so that might have been part of the issue too. And these caps you got to leave loose so you don't produce a vacuum. Or a negative vacuum. So I've been out here on the lake. I've done about half a dozen passes. The first couple passes it hiccuped on me, and then I checked the fuel fittings and everything, and then since it's been working fine. So Josh, I'm gonna do one more test with you. I'm gonna do the best I can one-handed. I hope I don't drop my phone in the water, and we're gonna give it a one final pass there and back, and then there again, and we'll go from there. And if it does fine, then come pick it up and give it a shot. Alright, so here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and start her up here. Don't need choke since it's already been running. One pull. Yeah, everything feels fine. Alright, here we go. Nice day out here on the lake. I'm not going to bother doing a speed test. You can do that, but it probably goes 10 miles an hour. Takes several seconds to get up on plane, but once you do, you're good. She's not getting up on plane like she should right now. She got up on plane every other time, but I did adjust the trim, so hang tight with me while I do this. Try to do this without dropping the phone.